Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install latest Google Chrome stable version on Kali Linux 2025.1a. Okay, so first verify whether we have Chrome, that is Google Chrome comes as a default application or not. See, we have the Chromium web browser. Let us open default web browser, that is Firefox. Then go to Google, then search for download Chrome. Then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then for Kali Linux we have to select this Debian package. So select the 64-bit.debian package and click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome current stable version Debian package. So install it, sudo dpkg-i, then give Google, give the tab and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, now it is installing Google Chrome stable version 134. See, we have successfully installed. Go to applications and search for Google. See, we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. If you want to make the Google Chrome as the default browser, select the checkbox. If you want to send automatically user statistics and class reports to Google, we have to select the checkbox. I don't want either of them, so unselect them and click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. So go to terminal ls. So we have successfully installed. Remove this file. rm, give Google, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on Kali Linux 2025.1a. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.